Got another one, and I just snagged a tree. Oh, okay. I can't get my. I caught a tree, and you got a fish. Oh, I'll have to come and take lessons from you, obviously. So, how do you like my new bargain basement wading shoes? I didn't want to spend $250 on a proper wading shoes, so these are $29 Walmart oversized running shoes, which are good enough for walking through this forest. But it, look. So
let's see what color they are after
a little bit. These are, this is what all the cool kids are going to be wearing. I'm going to start a trend. Look! White on white.
Mine are black.
I don't know when it became mandatory to own around 25 pounds of camera equipment just to go fishing. So what do I have? I have, what's in there? One drone, one trail cam, one gimbal, one Canon with telephoto lens, a GoPro, and then this mobile phone.
I carry the food.
Yeah, you carry the food. So this is our first trip into the salmon forest for the new year. Just about the first day of spring, right?
Right.
So pretty nice for the last days of winter. First day of spring and Tuesday. I'm too old to go under that log, so I have to go over. Oh yeah.
Oh, seem to have found a reptilian friend. Northern alligator lizard. Here we have a very cold, out of hibernation northern alligator lizard.
Yeah, he's out already.
He is missing
it's not
his
even,
back leg. He's got a nub.
The first day of spring is not till for 2 more days, so it's into winter.
Very cold. I heard him rustling in the leaves by obviously his sunbathing log.
Yeah, and it's still snow up the top of the mountains. And
very docile right now.
Yeah.
They get very active in the sun.
He didn't get stepped on by any of the elk that came walking by here. And that's where our trail cam is going to be. Pick it up in a week or so. Hopefully this time we'll get some elk on it. All right. So he's a northern alligator lizard. Oh, you can't even see him.
Yep.
So we're hoping to catch cutthroat trout, but there's a chance that we might not catch anything. So I have to have B-roll in case we have to make a fishing video where we don't catch any fish. That's cool.
Yeah.
cool. No bear prints out yet. What's that there? Looks like otters.
Yeah.
Right there. Really? Oh, nice! I just have the GoPro on too. He's off? You got a fish?
Yeah.
All right.
I think it's the same guy that's been biting. It's right same spot.
Educating fish. Northern pike minnow. Oh, cool. Let's bring him ashore. Way to go. Nice little cutthroat, is it? Yes, yes. Oh, what is he? How big do you think he is? 12 inches? Oh, he's very nice. Oh, look. Now we can make a fishing video because there's a fish. Okay, keep him in the water. We're going to let him go. Oh, don't bring him up ashore. No, yeah, don't let him bonk. Yeah, well, maybe he's a little bigger. 12, 14 inches. All right, let's let him go. Yeah, nice.
It's going under your feet.
Where'd he go? Over there. Way to go.
Hey!
Got another one, and I just snagged a tree. Oh, okay. I can't get my. Ah! I caught a tree, and you got a fish. Oh, I'll have to come and take lessons from you, obviously. Every time I say I'm going to get the drone out, you hook a fish. Oh, I see him. He's a trout.
Good.
He's silvery. Is he a cutthroat? Maybe he's a bull trout or on pike minnow? No. Oh, he's bigger, whatever he is. Yeah, yeah. Oh, wow, he's 18 inches?
There's no sticks or logs.
Yeah, there's a little bit sticks right here.
I see that.
So just bring him up here. Maybe we should have brought the net. We didn't want to hike the net through the forest.
Yeah.
Even though I got to have a photogenic net. You can let him go now?
Yeah.
Way to go! So, you hooked, what did you hook?
I hooked 4, landed 2.
Landed 2, and I hooked 1 and landed nothing. I didn't even land the tree I caught. So, anyway, I don't relish going over that big log jam we did a while back. So we'll go a little bit more upstream and try to avoid it.
Yeah, not bad for
What was
last
it? The
few
last
days of winter.
Yeah, when's spring?
Spring
Spring is
should be
the
Tuesday?
Tuesday is the 21st. Yeah. Anyway, it was almost t-shirt weather. Anyway, see you later,
So
alligator.
long.